Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the braille keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S22. So now our phone has a braille keyboard option. Where to find it? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, and in talkback in the settings we have our braille keyboard. And at the top we need to set it up first. So we have a pop-up window right here. As you can see, you can read it by your own. We need to go to settings, and here we have a list of our options needed to set up our braille keyboard. So it's a little bit hidden in the talkback function. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.